day, word of the day, it's the word of the day.
What's the word of the day? Notorious. What do you think notorious means? Famous or well known for something bad. Can you put this word into a sentence? Here are some examples. The town is notorious for its traffic jams. The restaurant is notorious for slow service. That pirate is notorious for his daring raids. Try and use this word today. You could use it in your writing or during a conversation. Notorious.
Word of the day,